18वीं लोकसभा का इजलास 24 जून से शुरू होगा। मरकजी वजीर बराए पार्लिमानी उमूर किरण रिजिजू ने मीडिया से बात करते हुए बताया कि यह सेशन इंतहाई अहमियत का हामिल रहेगा और उन्होंने बताया कि इजलास के आगाज़ पर नए अरकान को हलफ दिलाया जाएगा और उसके बाद इजलास में स्पीकर का इंतखाब होगा और सदर जमहूरिया मुश्तरका ऐवानों से खिताब करेंगे। किरण रिजिजू ने इस उम्मीद का इजहार किया कि हम मुस्बत तौर पर इस इजलास का आगाज़ करना चाहते हैं।
Yes, that is correct. We want to begin the 18th Lok Sabha in a positive note. The first session, which is the special session of the 18th Lok Sabha, has been decided and Rashtrapati ji has summoned to begin the House on 24th of June. Now, what is important is the first session is customary to have the oath for the newly elected members and election of the Speaker of Lok Sabha, and then President's address to both the houses of the Parliament. It's going to be very important for all of us that after the election, we are coming together for the first time. My appeal to all the members, all the political parties, to jointly work together as Team India. After all, we are member of Parliament of India, and we have to work for our country. For me, as the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, I will have to coordinate with all the political parties, the floor management, and with the guidance of the Honorable Chairman of Rajya Sabha and Honorable Speaker of the Lok Sabha, and with the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister, we will work very cohesively in a coordinated manner. For me, there is no difference between opposition parties and the ruling party. We are there to serve the nation.